I'm looking for the fastest and easiest way to sell my home, and I keep hearing one name over and over. So I asked people, why Grandview Homes instead of a real estate agent? So this was your house.
Yeah.
You could have gone with a real estate agent, but you sold to Grandview Homes.
We looked at a few businesses that purchased homes, and Grandview seemed to be the one that had it together.
They buy homes as is. How was it working with them?
Well, not only did we receive a fair offer, but we were able to take all the time we needed and leave the house a mess.
A mess? How do you mean?
We tried to do most of the updates ourselves, but needless to say, life got in the way and so many things were left unfinished. So many things.
And they took care of it themselves? It really is as is?
It really is as is. I left the mess and the stress to them.
Call or visit GrandviewHomes.com. We buy every home as is, and you'll get a fair cash offer in just hours. Grandview Homes, the easiest and fastest way to sell your home.